If you've got this error here, this extension is no longer available because it doesn't follow best practices for Chrome extensions. I'm going to show you how we can fix this. Recently, Chrome has abandoned manifest B2 extensions. That means B2 extensions will no longer be supported, and now on only B3 extensions will be supported. Let's do it and fix this error. Minimize the Chrome. Go to search box, type in here regedit, right click on the registry editor and run as administrator. Once you are inside the registry editor, scroll up and delete this text from this box. Delete. Now we're going to copy the path from the description and paste it here on the box and press enter from the keyboard. Once you do this, if you scroll down, you'll get one Chrome subfolder is highlighted inside the Google folder. If you don't get the Chrome folder here, you're going to right click on the Google folder and go to new and go to key and rename this key as Chrome. But we already have the Chrome folder here, so we don't need to do anything. Just delete this key here. Yes. Once you create the Chrome key inside the Google folder, we're gonna right click on the Chrome key and go to new once again and go to dword 32-bit value. Now give this key a name, that is extension manifest b2 availability. Extension manifest b2 availability. Enter and double click on this key and put the value data to 2. Once you do this, click on OK. Minimize the registry. Now go to Chrome, copy this address here. We're gonna paste this and close Chrome once and relaunch it back. Now inside the Chrome, we're gonna paste the path here on the URL box that we had just copied of the extension. Enter. And now it's available here, add to Chrome, and it still works, add extension. So that's how you easily fix this kind of error. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel.